Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sarah, aka Princess Audu. Today I'm back again with another fashion video, a modest fashion video, and we're going to be talking about modest basic essentials, modest basics basically that make life easier for you. They make it easier for you to look modest and stylish. They also make it easier for you to make revealing clothes modest. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. If you're new here, we started a modesty series some time ago. Well, we're on a modesty series. Basically, I'm showing you guys how to look stylish while still being modest, and also how to make certain revealing clothes more modest. So I've done a bunch of videos on this series. If you've missed out, check out this playlist. I'm going to leave it in the cards. Be sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's just hop right in. So the first essential that will make life easier for you as a modest fashionista is a tube top or a bandeau top. These are basically just little pieces that are great for layering under tops that reveal too much of your cleavage. I love wearing them underneath sheer tops as well. These bandeau tops help you to make revealing pieces modest. So think about sheer tops, wrap tops, basically anything that shows too much of the chest area. Bandeau tops are great, and the best thing about them is that they are short tops, so you don't even have to worry about the lines that come when you tuck in your clothes, or seeing the lines with trousers, or let's say you were wearing it under a skirt. Let me show you what it looks like. So basically these are bandeau tops. You can have them in as many colors as you want. It's just a short top that you just wear underneath your tops that stops maybe a little bit under your bust. You can have these in nude, in cream, in white, or black. I say black is a great place to start. White is great when you're styling with colors, but bandeau tops, tube tops are perfect because they help you to make revealing tops more modest. I actually did a video where I talked about why you should have bandeau tops because they're also great underneath crop tops. They help you, especially when they're a bit longer. You can wear a crop top over something high-waisted, and then when you lift up your hands, you are covered underneath. So check out my video on how to make crop tops modest. I talked about that in this video. Now, an alternative for a bandeau top, if you don't have one, just buy a simple cami, a simple singlet, a simple tank top. It can be in white or black. Now, it is longer. That's the only disadvantage, the fact that you may have to struggle with tucking it in, and that's the great thing about bandeau tops. Now, the next essential is a turtleneck. This is probably one of the most important basics that you need as a modest fashionista because they're like so easy to style. Now, I know it's not weather appropriate all the time. You can always have one that is sleeveless to kind of help with heat, but turtlenecks are great because you could basically layer anything over it. You can layer an off-shoulder top, an off-shoulder dress, even a wrap top, or anything that reveals too much of your chest area. You can wear a turtleneck, and one thing I love about turtlenecks is that when you're trying to layer certain pieces, it actually makes you look more stylish. Like, it makes you look cool in a way that it doesn't even look like you're trying to layer or make this piece more modest. Now, these turtlenecks are great underneath tops that have spaghetti straps, tops that don't have sleeves, sleeveless pieces, tube tops. Turtlenecks come in handy. Like, it looks so beautiful when you layer turtlenecks over pieces like this because it is also stylish. So definitely do try wearing turtlenecks underneath certain pieces, and make sure you have them. You can have them in different colors. They're so stylish, and they are more dressed up. They are more dressy, so you can wear these with your stylish or fancy dresses, and you're still gonna look very put together because of the effect that turtlenecks give you. So still talking about tops, another top that is a must-have is a white shirt, a white button-up shirt preferably. Now, you should have this in your wardrobe whether you're a modest fashionista or not. A white shirt is a closet basic. Everybody should have one, whether a man or woman. It's such an essential in every wardrobe. Now, white shirts are great because, again, it's another way to layer and make revealing pieces more modest without looking like you are trying, right? So now, like in the video I did where I talked about how to make revealing crop tops modest, one of the tips I gave was to wear a white shirt underneath that crop top. It also gives this slightly dressier vibe, right? So white shirts are great. Now, if you can't get a white button-up shirt, you can always get like a simple round neck shirt, but the white button-up shirt actually gives this effect, and it's amazing for layering little pieces like crop tops, tube tops. So let's move on over to cover-ups, right? So other pieces that you should have in your wardrobe are blazers, kimonos, jackets. Now, blazers tend to be more corporate. They tend to give a more corporate vibe, especially when you're styling it over dresses or certain pieces. That's where we come in with kimonos. You can have a kimono, a jacket. These are more laid back. Now, ideally, the first color you should have is a black blazer. Black is that color that goes with everything. These are great because you can wear them over your dresses. You can wear them over tube tops, over sleeveless pieces, and look put together. You can also wear your kimonos over sleeveless dresses. It gives us like a different style. Now, kimonos give your pieces a different look, but a great thing about kimonos, they also dress down certain pieces. Now, one thing about blazers is that blazers has a way of making you look more corporate, more classy, more smart casual and put together. Now, for certain pieces, and also depending on where you're going, you may not want that. That's where we come with kimonos, little pieces that you could just add up. I said little pieces. Pieces basically that you can just layer over things like camis, sleeveless dresses, tube dresses. So yeah, another basic essential, another modest basic essential that you need in your wardrobe is a kimono, a blazer, or a jacket. These are perfect for making revealing tops or dresses more modest. Now let's just move on over and talk about bottoms. The first essential that I would recommend for bottoms, modest essential I would recommend, is a pencil skirt. Now, as I mentioned in my video on how to make short dresses, short skirts more modest, pencil skirts are great because with pencil skirts, you can add another layer. It's like adding another layer underneath that short skirt or that short dress. So pencil skirt, a great way to start is in black. Get yourself a black pencil skirt. You can just add that underneath your shorter dresses or shorter skirts without it taking away too much from the style. It will look more as if it's a layer underneath that dress or skirt. Now, still on skirts, another essential that I'd recommend for you is a tulle skirt. Guys, if you don't have a tulle skirt, it is a must-have. One thing I love about tulle skirts is that it's great. Like with pencil skirts, it's great for wearing underneath skirts, short skirts, and dresses. And the great thing about tulle skirts is like it adds another layer as well as making you look more stylish. When you add tulle skirts underneath short dresses, it's not even gonna look like you were trying to be more modest, rather you were trying to pull off a style. As I mentioned, check out that video on how to make short skirts more modest. A tulle skirt is a great place to start, a great way to add another layer to certain pieces. So definitely do get yourself a tulle skirt. Now, the final modest essential that you should have in your wardrobe is a good old pair of jeans. I know you didn't see that coming, but jeans are important. Now, ideally, you should have jeans, a black pair of jeans and a blue pair of jeans. Now, black jeans are great, or jeans in general are great for wearing underneath short dresses. That's actually one thing I do with dresses that are a bit too short for me, especially when it comes to things like shift dresses. I just wear the dress and then wear jeans underneath. It will look like I just tried to basically like try another style, you know, wear jeans underneath my dresses. So ideally, I recommend black because black has a way of making you look more put together. It is more dressy than as opposed to a pair of light blue, or let's say an average a normal blue jeans. Right now, if you have a darker wash, that also works as an alternative to a black jeans, but definitely you do want to get blue jeans. Blue jeans has a way of being more casual, more dressed down, but it's also great for wearing with your shorter dresses. So definitely do get yourself good pairs of jeans to wear underneath shorter pieces. So that's seven modest essentials that you should have in your wardrobe as a modest fashionista, or basically to make life easier for you when trying to make revealing pieces more modest. What are some modest essentials that you have in your wardrobe? Are there any other essentials that you'd like, that you feel should be on the list? Definitely do let me know down in the comment section. You know, we're all about sharing, learning, and growing together. If you have more tips on this, I'd love to hear it. Definitely do leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Be sure you catch up on the modesty series. Check out the playlist here, or check out these videos here as well. I hope you did find it helpful, and if you did, leave me a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram at Princess Audu for more outfit of the days, modest fits, workwear, style videos, and all of that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one.